Did you know that heat is a form of energy that can make things hot or cold? It's fascinating and essential in our daily lives. Let's dive into the science of heat and temperature. Heat is energy that flows from hotter objects to colder ones. This transfer continues until both objects reach the same temperature. But what exactly is temperature? Temperature measures how hot or cold something is. It's not about the total heat energy present but rather its intensity. We often measure temperature using a thermometer, in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. In labs, a laboratory thermometer is used, while doctors use clinical thermometers. So how do heat and temperature differ? Heat is energy, while temperature indicates the degree of hotness. Heat depends on the mass of the object and is measured in joules or calories. In contrast, temperature doesn't depend on mass and is measured in Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. Now, let's explore how heat transfers from one place to another. There are three main methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction happens in solids. Heat transfers from particle to particle without moving the whole object. For example, when a metal spoon is placed in hot tea, it heats up. Metals like copper and aluminum are good conductors, while materials like wood and plastic are not. Convection occurs in liquids and gases, where particles move. When a fluid is heated, it rises because it becomes lighter. This movement creates convection currents. A classic example is boiling water or the breeze that cools us at the beach. Radiation is unique as it transfers heat through invisible rays, without needing any medium. The sun warms us through radiation. Dark surfaces absorb more heat than shiny white ones. That's why standing in sunlight feels warm, even if the air temperature is low. Heat has several effects. Most substances expand when heated and contract when cooled. Additionally, heat can change states, like melting, boiling, or freezing. We see the application of heat in our daily activities. Cooking food, using thermos flasks, or ironing clothes all involve heat transfer methods. Heaters and air conditioners also rely on the principles of heat. To summarize, heat flows from hot to cold and temperature measures hotness, not heat content. There are three heat transfer methods: conduction, convection, and radiation. Lastly, darker surfaces absorb more heat than lighter ones. Start observing how heat interacts in your daily life. Maybe try cooking with different heat methods or notice how the temperature changes throughout the day. For more informative videos, don't forget to subscribe.